Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, Python 3, 8 or newer, and pip. Once done, open a terminal and pip install pyod or pip install pimsql depending on your driver preference. Make sure you have the database host, port, usually 1433, login and database name. You will need these exact values for the connection string. Also verify network access. Ping the server or test TCP port. This quick preparation prevents avoidable errors before you write a single line of code. Now you write the code to connect. Import the chosen library and assemble a validated connection string including driver, server, port, database, UID, and PWD. String formatting helps avoid typos. Use pyod, connect, or pimsql, connect, and immediately call con, cursor, to obtain a cursor. Execute a trivial query like select one to confirm the handshake. Make sure to commit if you run inserts, and close cursor and connection in a finally block to release resources. This confirms the working connection. You can run queries and fetch results. Use cursor, execute, with parameterized placeholders and cursor. Fetch all, or iterate rows to handle large results. Commit transactions when modifying data and close connections promptly. If you hit errors, inspect the exact exception. Driver mismatch, blocked port, wrong server name, disabled SQL Server TCP/IP, or Windows authentication versus SQL login issues. Change driver, open port 1433, or enable mixed mode as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.